What's up, family? Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video today we're going to be talking about the airdrop. Okay, so guys, the airdrop has been on for about a year now and it's still ongoing. Okay, so guys, if you're actually watching this video right now, you are still very much early on the airdrop, and mind you, you're actually going to be getting one mexi, which is actually worth about 6 USDT when you actually sign up and verify your KYC, just like you see mine right here. As you can see, I currently have one mexi token right here because I actually signed up and verified my KYC completely. Okay, so guys, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can actually sign up right here on the mexi to actually claim yours right now, and also I'll be showing you exactly how you can verify your KYC so you can be giving your one mexi token just like mine right here, which is worth about 6 USDT. And also I'll be showing you exactly how you can sell your one mexi token, which is worth 6 USDT, and withdraw straight down into your bybit wallet, guys. Okay, so this is actually what I'm going to be showing you in this video today, so make sure you pay close attention, guys. Don't skip any part of this video so you actually get the full basic info on what I'm going to be showing you guys today. Okay, so if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, this is Don Camps TV, and what we'll do here is we give you basic guides on how you can make legitimate money right here on the internet space, because I for myself, guys, I make 100% of my income right here on the internet space. Okay, so make sure you smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Destroy that subscribe button, turn on the bell icon, so whenever I actually upload amazing videos like this one you're about to watch right now here on YouTube, you'll always be the first to get notified, and then you're going to quickly up into it to start making the most amount of money for yourselves right away, guys. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive straight into the business of today. Okay, guys, so here we are on the mexi sign up page right now. It's also called MePass. Okay, so don't get yourself confused. All right, so guys, the basic question right now is, how can I sign up? So guys, it's quite easy. All right, the sign up link is going to be on this video description, and also it's going to be on my Telegram community, guys, and also my WhatsApp community. So all you can just simply do is go over there, hit on the link, and it's going to bring you over to the sign up page, guys. Okay, so before we actually proceed on signing up, let's get to know about the MetaEarth ecosystem, guys. Okay, so guys, the MEC token ecosystem is a vibrant, integrated digital economy powered by blockchain technology. All right, it's designed to facilitate seamless access to decentralized finance, digital assets, and community governance futures. Okay, so that is basically what the MetaEarth ecosystem is all about, guys. All right, so there are some key components attached to the MetaEarth ecosystem, and one of them is the trading infrastructure. Okay, so they actually provide trading infrastructure, they provide blockchain enabled gaming, they provide algorithmic trading tools, they also provide staking and reward distribution, and as well community governance, and lastly they provide cross-chain interoperability. All right, so guys, the mexi token is currently on the BNB smart chain, and they also have plans of expansion into other chains, guys. Okay, so that is basically what the MePass ecosystem is all about. All right, so now that you actually know about all this functions, let's proceed with the sign up process. So I show you guys exactly how you can claim your one mexi token, which is worth about 6 USDT currently. And also I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can make withdrawals of your one mexi token and actually exchange to USDT and cash out your money. Okay, so guys, how do you actually sign up? So as you can see down below here that says sign up now, I'm going to hit on the sign up now button, guys. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Here we are, guys. So down below here says please select the registration method. So I'm going to hit on this place down here that says email/mobile number. Okay, I'm going to hit on it. Here we are. So as you can see right here, it says welcome to MePass. Please enter your email address. Please enter your verification code. Okay, so I'm going to enter an email address right now. Okay, so I'm going to enter this one right here. All right, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says code. I'm going to hit on it so the code sends to my email, guys. Okay, so let's just wait and see. I'm going to verify this captcha right here. Okay, guys, I'm going to go over to my Gmail right now to actually get the code, and I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go. Here we are, guys. So over here says MePass register, so I'm going to hit on it. All right, so I'm going to copy this code right here. All right, I'm going to head back to the MePass sign up page. So over here that says enter the verification code, I'm going to paste it right here, guys. Okay, so that is it. So over here it says set login password. Okay, so I'm going to set a password right now. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. Okay, so let's go. Boom, guys. So I'm done setting my password right now. So down below here that says invitation code, I'm going to paste my invitation code right here, guys. Okay, this actually is going to give me extra bonus. All right, so guys, make sure you actually use my referral code so you actually get more bonuses for yourself, guys. All right, so over here that says I've read and agreed to user agreement, I'm going to tick on it. And then over here that says sign up, I'm going to hit on the sign up button right here, guys. Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, let's just give this some time, guys. Boom, as you can see right here, it says login succeeded. All right, so over here it says create MetaEarth wallet link in the future. Okay, So down below here, guys, you actually go to options. One says I don't have a Meta8 wallet, create new Meta8 wallet, and the second says I already have a Meta8 wallet, import mnemonic phrases slash private key. Okay, so guys, based on the fact that you are just signing up for the very first time, all you simply do is hit on this first one that says I don't have a Meta8 wallet. Okay, so I'm going to hit on mine right now. So right here says set me pass token code. Okay, so I'm going to set a code right now, guys. So I'm going to pause this video. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done setting the code. So I'm going to input the code again. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. Okay, guys, so as you can see, I'm going to hit on the complete button right now. Boom, as you can see, it is successfully set me pass token code. Okay, so I'm done setting my code. So down below here that says backup mnemonic phrases. Now I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, so up here says holding the mnemonic phrase slash private key represents the ownership of the wallet asset. Okay, so guys, make sure to actually take note of this. So down here that says I have understood the importance of mnemonic phrases slash private keys. I'm going to tick on this box right here. Okay, so before we proceed, guys, for those of you who doesn't know much about mnemonic phrases, I'm going to read this box right here that says if the mnemonic phrase slash private key is lost, the asset will be permanently lost. Okay, and down here says if you disclose or share your mnemonic phrase slash private key with anyone, your asset may be at risk of theft. All right, so down below here again says the responsibility of safeguarding the mnemonic phrase slash private key lies solely with oneself, as it is exclusively stored on the current device. Okay, so guys, make sure you actually take note of this. Never you expose your key to anyone. Okay, so the reason why I'm going to be exposing my mnemonic phrases to everyone on this video is because this account is actually a tutorial based account. This is not my real account. Okay, so down below here that says I understand, I'm going to hit on I understand, guys. All right, so as you can see right here, it says please do not screenshot. Okay, please do not back up by taking screenshots, as this increases risk of mnemonic phrase being stolen or lost. If albums or similar storage are compromised by malicious software, it could result in financial loss. Okay, I'm going to hit on I understand. So what this actually means is that they said that you should not screenshot your phrases. All right, so in this case scenario, what do you do, guys? You simply copy your phrases right here. So as you can see, these are your phrases from number 1 to 12 are your phrases. Okay, they are currently locked right now because I actually don't want to expose the phrases, guys. All right, so all you simply do is copy your phrases and then you actually head over to your notepad, or you can just simply write them accordingly. Okay, and then you save them, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can keep your mnemonic phrases safe. All right, I'm actually stressing on this issue right now because when your phrases are gone, it's gone forever, guys. Okay, you can never recover your account anymore. Okay, so that is it. So I'm going to copy these phrases right now. Just simply head over to my notepad, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be right back. So let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my notepad right now. So I'm going to paste the phrases right here and just simply save. Okay, so I'm going to pause this video, guys. So let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done backing up my mnemonic phrase. So over here that says I have backed up the mnemonic phrase, I'm going to hit on this box right here. And then over here that says backup completed, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Okay, boom. So as you can see right here, guys, it says please fill in the mnemonic phrases in the order as your backup. Okay, so guys, what they actually mean is this: based on the fact that your mnemonic phrases are 1 to 12, they're going to be telling you to impute the words after the order. As you can see, they said I should actually tell them word 4, and then after word 4 I'm going to tell them word 5, word 3, word 11, word 12, word 6, word 10, word 2, and so on. Okay, so as you can see right here, they actually scattered everything so they can be sure that I actually backed up my phrases correctly. Okay, so guys, I'm going to tell them each and every word right here and I'm going to be right back, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done telling them all the words right here. So how did I do it? I actually went back to my notepad and then I actually selected the word after one another. Okay, so that was how I was actually able to give them all these words right here accordingly, guys, because I actually backed them up. So that is basically how you can do it. Okay, so over here that says confirm, I'm going to hit on the confirm button, guys. So let's see how this goes. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says wallet created successfully. Please enter wallet name. Okay, so I'm going to find the name right now. So let's see Don Cams. Okay, Don Cams 110. Okay, so over here says start using MePass. I'm going to hit on start using MePass right now, guys. So let's see how this goes. So as you can see right here, guys, there's actually an announcement that says your 2026 global adventure awaits. Win up to 1,600 USDT. Okay, and down here says ring in the new year with double pegs. Invite friends to complete Me ID advanced verification. They would unlock unconditional basic income, which is the UBI. Okay, and monthly airdrop benefits. You will earn instant MEG for every referral. Accumulate valid invites to unlock tiered rewards with a maximum of 1,600 USDT in travel funds. Share now and turn your 2026 travel dreams into reality. Please check our dedicated campaign post on X for full details and the latest update. Okay, the event duration is 2025/11/24 to 2026/01/11. Okay, so guys, make sure you actually be a part of this. And the only way you can actually be a part of this is when you have actually, verified your KYC to actually get your unique referral link, guys. Okay, so that is basically how you can be a part of this. Okay, so guys, with this being said, I'm going to exit this stuff right now and just, go over to the main deal of the day, which is getting your 1 meg token, which is worth 6 USDT. Okay, so as you can see right here, it says congratulations on receiving 1 meg reward, and down here it says daily me ID block rewards, airdrop rewards, and check-in rewards. Claim more right and block rewards after completing KYC authentication. So guys, make sure you actually complete your KYC, as this is mandatory, guys. Okay, if you actually don't complete your KYC, you won't be able to, get access to the airdrops as well. You won't be able to get access to more rewards that will be coming on the Mexi ecosystem. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says claim now. I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says verify me ID. So all you just simply do is hit on verify now. Okay, and then you simply verify your me ID. So what you simply do is over here that is country/region. So let's say you're actually from Nigeria, you just simply leave it at Nigeria. If you're not from Nigeria, you just simply hit on it and find your country. Okay, there are lots of countries right here who are actually a part of the Mexi ecosystem, so you can actually be a part as well. Okay, I'm going to exit right now. So as you can see, guys, it says tips to ensure accurate results during the detection process. Please note the following. And one right here says must be performed by the individual in person. Please do not wear glasses or any accessories that cover your face. Please do not wear hats or head scarves. And the next right here says please be in the well-lit environment. Next right here says keep your face visible, avoid covering your face, keep your facial expressions natural. Okay, so these are the basic requirements while doing the liveliness check verification for Mexi. Okay, so that is it. So as you can see, it says the above considerations will help to improve the accuracy and reliability of face recognition. So over here that says I've read and fully understood, I'm going to hit on this box right here and hit on start verification. Okay, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says while using the app. Okay, guys, so this is it. Okay.
Please shake your head slowly. Please nod slowly. Please open your mouth slowly.
Okay, guys, so it seems we're done. So I'm going to complete this capture right now. So let's see how this goes, guys. Okay, it says duplicate real person verification for your me ID detected. Okay, so guys, this actually means that I've actually created an account before, so I can't create an account again. Their verification system right here and their ecosystem is so strong that you can't have two accounts. Okay, so that is basically how durable and efficient they are. Okay, so it says you need to submit document for further review to ensure your unique me ID right. So guys, that is it. So I can't create a second account for the me ID. I'm going to go back right now and just chill. So that is basically what you need to do. So when you're actually done with the liveliness check, the next step would be submitting your government issued ID. Okay, so it could be your driver's license, it could be your international passport, or it could be your voter's card. So that is if you are a Nigerian. But if you are not a Nigerian, what you need is actually your national identity card. Okay, if you're actually a Ghanaian, just submit your national ID card, and boom, guys, your account will be verified within 24 hours. Same with Nigerians, and same with other countries like the US, Afghanistan, the Indians, and whatsoever country that is actually enabled on the me ID verification process. So that is basically how you can do this, guys. Okay, so when you are done with your face verification and also your ID verification, you just simply need to wait for 24 hours for your account to be fully verified, guys. Okay, so when you're actually verified, you're going to be giving 1 Mexi token, which is worth about 6 USDT, guys. Okay, so that is basically what you'll be giving, and also you'll be qualified for lots of reward on the MePass app. Okay, so guys, mind you, when you're actually done registering, all you simply do is go over to your Google Play Store or your Apple Store to actually download the MePass app. Okay, it's quite easy. Just go over there and type MePass. Okay, so I'm going to go over to my Google Play Store right now and just show you exactly what I mean, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on Google Play Store right now. So over here that says search, you just simply hit on search and type in MePass. Okay, MePass. So this is MePass right here. So I'm going to hit on MePass, guys. All right, so this is MePass down below here. So as you can see, I've actually downloaded the MePass app already. That's the reason why it's showing open right here. Okay, so for your case, you're going to be seeing install. So all you just simply do is install the app, and boom, guys, you are good to go. Okay, so when you're actually done installing, just log in because you have actually registered previously. So all you just simply do is log in to actually start using the app immediately. So that is basically how it is. So I'm going to go over to my main MePass account right now. So I show you guys exactly how you can complete tasks and also how you can get more rewards as a MePass verified ID user. Okay, so guys, let's go. Okay, guys, so here we are on my MePass account right now. So as you can see right here, I'm going to hit on this place right here that says on-chain check-in. Okay, so actually get daily check-in to actually earn more MEC tokens, guys. Okay, so I'm going to hit on this place right here that says on-chain check-in. Okay, so let's see how this goes. So I'm going to hit on check in today. Okay, guys, here we are. So as you can see over here, that says enhance happiness for a better life, maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. So all you just simply need to do is this other phrase right here that says maintain ecological balance to promote sustainability. You just simply need to impute it exactly the way you see it right here. Okay, the way you see it right here on the box, guys. Okay, so I'm going to do it right now. I'm going to type in enhance happiness for a better life. Better life. Okay, so that is it, guys. So as you can see, I just got the phrase right now. So down below here that says on-chain check-in, I'm going to hit on it, guys. Boom. So as you can see right here, it says daily check-in address, network, and it says estimated gas fee 0 MEC. Okay, so they're actually not collecting any gas fee for this. I'm going to hit on confirm, guys. I'm going to type in my code right now. So I'm going to pause this video, guys. Okay, so let's go. Okay, guys, so I'm done with that. Okay, so let's just see how it goes. Boom, guys. So as you can see right here, it says congratulations, check in successful. Okay, so I'm gonna go back home right now. Boom. So they just gave me some, fragment of the MEC token right now. So my balance has stopped up already. So that is actually one way you can also get rewards right here on a daily basis on the MEC app. Okay, so guys, there are other ways in which you can actually earn more MEC rewards and also how you can earn passively right here on the MEXC app. Okay, so as you can see, I actually staked my one MEXC token to actually get returns each and every single day. As you can see, this is the return I actually get on a daily basis right here, as you can see, guys. Okay, so that is basically how it is. So guys, I'm gonna be ending this video right here for today. On my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can withdraw out of your MEXC account straight down into your bybit wallet or whatever crypto wallet of your choice, guys. Okay, so guys, make sure you actually verify your KYC to get your one MEXC token. So on my next video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can withdraw your funds straight down into your crypto wallet, guys. Okay, so this is where I'm going to be drawing my curtain for today, guys. This video is actually too long already. Okay, on my next video, I'm going to be showing you guys more and more opportunities right here on the MePass app for yourself that you can actually earn more money each and every single day for yourself, guys. Okay, so make sure you actually stay tuned and don't snooze. Okay, so guys, thank you all for watching this video. If you actually found this video helpful, do well to leave your boy a thumbs up right now. And if this is your first time joining us right here on this channel, do well to smash on that subscribe button right now, guys. Turn on the bell icon so you always get notified each time Don Camps TV uploads amazing videos like this one you just watched right now here on YouTube, guys. Okay, so thank you all once more for watching this video. Do have a wonderful day, guys. See you on the next one. Peace out.